Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Refilling hydraulic fluid in a salon chair is a vital maintenance task that keeps your equipment working smoothly. If your chair feels jerky or fails to lift, the oil level is likely low. First, gather your supplies. You need high-quality hydraulic oil, a screwdriver, and a small funnel. Place a towel on the floor to catch any drips. Start by pumping the chair to its highest possible position. Locate the fill plug on the hydraulic pump unit. This cap is usually found near the base of the chair. Carefully remove the plug with your tool and set it aside. Insert the funnel into the hole. Slowly pour the hydraulic oil into the reservoir. Do not overfill the tank. Stop pouring when the oil is about half an inch below the opening. Put the plug back in and tighten it securely. Now you must remove trapped air from the system. Pump the foot pedal several times to cycle the fluid. Raise the chair all the way up and then let it back down. Repeat this motion until the movement feels steady and firm. Wipe away any spilled oil with a clean cloth to prevent slips. This simple process saves you money on repairs and extends the life of your furniture. Regular maintenance ensures a comfortable experience for every client. Your salon chair is now ready for a full day of work. Keeping your gear in top shape is the mark of a true professional. This quick fix keeps your business running smoothly without any unwanted interruptions or costly downtime during a busy workday. Proper care is essential for your tools.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.